guys, welcome back to
What the Food.
So we went to the Low Water Festival. We got some plants.
Yeah.
They are like healthy, like
Yes.
Southeast Asian herbs.
Exactly.
There's nothing better than having fresh herbs from your garden.
Exactly.
And cook with them. Alright, so we got a bunch of plants. We're gonna show one by one. So the first one that we want to show you guys is
Cilantro.
yes, cilantro. And basically it's the cousin of cilantro. We use it in lard. We use it in some tom sap, right? Tom
Yeah.
sap, it's like a Thai
Sour.
it's
really
salty.
It has a
delicious.
really good balance of flavors for sure.
Yeah.
The stems are a little bit more firm,
Yeah.
more woody feeling, and they have
Yeah.
kind of like spikes at the edges of their leaves.
Mhm.
But it's all edible, and it's
Yeah.
very fragrant when you put it in things. It almost acts as cilantro in a dish.
Yeah.
It has a very similar flavor to cilantro, so people oftentimes, if they have this in their fridge, they'll use it interchangeably with cilantro. It has
Really, do people do that?
some people do.
Really? I didn't know that.
Yeah, I mean, so for example, if you want to garnish, if you want that burst of freshness in your salads or in your soups that you often use as the way you use cilantro and scallion, you kind of sprinkle it on top. You can use cilantro in the same way.
Yeah. So we got this pepper plant. Did you help me pick this one?
Yes.
Yeah.
So we started trying straight up
And people are
peppers.
looking at us crazy.
I know.
there was
Because
some
we love
Chinese-
spicy
yeah.
food, but
Yeah.
Perry tried a couple from
Yeah.
other plants and they weren't that spicy. But then we tried this one.
This one is really
It
spicy.
wasn't. We didn't think it was maybe spicy at first, but it hits
Yeah.
you really fast.
I was like, oh my god, John is burning my stomach a little
It
bit
was
because
very
it
spicy.
was really spicy. But you can see like how healthy it is. I was like so happy with
We
this.
have little buds coming. Little,
Yeah.
peppers
And this
coming
pepper
as
is
well.
originally is red, right? And then as the and then you can see probably one of like these, the color is changing. It's like orangey, like
Yeah.
yellow to orange. It was actually white when we got them, and look over like
Now they're
just a
starting
few
to change
days
colors.
to changing to like light green, and oh my god, I'm excited for this.
I know they're doing this plant is doing very well.
So the next plant is
Mint.
mint. How do you say it in Thai? It's salane, right?
Saturday.
Yeah.
Yes.
So this plant we use a lot in salad. Actually, you guys probably know what it is. I think
Like-
that is spearmint,
Because
right?
the spearmint the leaves are sharper. Like there's different kinds of mints, but I'm not really sure what kind of mint this is. The leaves are more round. They're not like
Well, it
sharp.
smells like toothpaste to me.
It smells good. Yeah. You can put it in like a cocktail or something, but we don't use
Yeah.
it like that.
Well, you know what? You can make. Have you tried making mojito, like Thai mojitos?
Oh, that'd be a good idea. That could be a
Yeah.
video. Stay tuned.
So yeah, I actually used that before. I used like Thai lime juice. It's like a Thai limeade, and then you add a little bit of mint in it. Oh, that's so good.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
Sounds refreshing.
So the next plant is the holy basil. They are like the heart of Thai cooking. You know when you go to a Thai restaurant, you order basil chicken, basil pork, basil beef, whatever basil it is. Actually, it should be holy basils because that's what they use
Traditionally.
in Thailand. That's like the legit way.
Right.
Because if they use the Thai basil, which we're gonna show you guys later, that one is like a substitute. And if you actually go to a restaurant and use holy basil, you can tell that's a good Thai restaurant.
Yeah.
They're a little spicy, huh?
Yeah, they do have a peppery taste. It's not your average Thai
Right.
basil, but
You want to try it?
they have their own component to it. Let me try one. Let me see.
Because usually we put a lot of pepper and
Yes.
garlic when we cook them. So I can't really tell if they're pepper, right?
I don't know how to describe them or if they taste like anything else. Try it.
Should I
Try
wash
it.
them?
Come on, we're pretty ratchet here. It doesn't matter.
It has a little peppery taste.
It
to
does.
And they're so good. They are like the heart of Thai food. And
Yeah.
as a matter of fact, we were just talking the other day. Like Thai people don't really eat pad Thai, do they?
Eat it, but it's not like the iconic dish that everyone thinks Thai people eat on a daily basis, right?
We actually eat a lot more pad kra pao in our culture, and I could eat it like every day, like multiple times a day.
That's why she got 3 pots.
But no, really, they're so good. Like growing up, my aunt was like, "Don't you get bored?" And I was like, "No, because I love pad kra pao. It's just that flavor with eggs. It's sunny side of eggs, and I can eat 2 eggs too. They're so good. You have to eat with the egg and the runny yolk. Oh my god,
That's like
so
peanut
good.
butter and jelly. If the holy basil was the queen of our find, then we have the king right here.
Yes!
This is the Kaffir lime tree that is quite rare. We use this in many different methods. We put this in salads where we tear this off the rind and you can cut it very finely and sprinkle it on salads. You can use it in marinades, in soups to infuse the aromatics into the flavor of the soup.
Yeah.
You can use them in curries as well.
If you go eat Thai curry at a Thai restaurant, if you don't find this in the curry, that means I cut in corners. That's not good enough. Like you make sure they put like this kaffir lime in there. You know, like in Thailand, like with the curry paste that we use, they actually get the peel of the fruit as well. So this is like the backbone of Thai cooking, and you cannot go wrong with that. You need to have kaffir lime if you love Thai cuisine or Southeast Asian cooking. And then the last one that we got.
Pretty sure all of you are familiar with this one.
And it's quite heavy. These are the basils that if you have ever had pho, you know, like the pho with the bean sprout, and then they put the little basil, and they sometimes give you lime and pepper, side condiment, right? These are what you see on that plate. So these are the basils that when you go to a Thai restaurant for pad kra pao, right? Earlier we said the holy basils. If they don't use holy basil, they substitute with these.
Yeah.
But can you substitute with them? Yeah, but they don't taste the same.
Yeah, these are a little sweeter, more mild.
It doesn't
they don't have a
peppery
peppery flavor,
yes,
that earthy
exactly.
tone that the holy basil provides.
Yeah, and they are a little sweeter, and that's why they also call sweet basil, right?
I think so.
These are pretty resilient. Like
Yes, they are.
they don't really die, and that's why you can find them at the Chinese grocery store, because I assume it's easier to grow them than the holy basil.
Yeah.
The holy basil is quite fragile. You need to have the right amount of temperature.
Right.
Is
These
it heavy?
another way to kind of differentiate this from holy basil, aside from the leaves, which is
Can I hold it for you?
pretty defined, but the stem too. The stem of the sweet or the Thai basil is very smooth, whereas the holy basil is more woodsy and
hairy.
That was the highlight of our entire experience.
And really, basically,
festival.
these are all the plants that you need.
And just trying to choose plants that might be more worth it to buy, rather than if you buy a plant and you end up stripping all the leaves off for one dish. Hey guys, if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up.
Yeah, and subscribe.
And let us know if you also like these herbs, if you use this in the dishes from whatever country you're from or in your culture.
But teach us, we're open to learn more about food.
Yeah, we want to learn. So we would love to know if you're a plant lover as well.
Right. Well, thank you guys for your support. Have a good day.
You too.
See
Until
you
next
guys.
time.
Bye.
Bye. We got gold and gold. Look at this. We're really coordinating this right now. Hold on.
It is.
Okay.
Third time's a charm, right?
Alright.
But maybe I should cut this and you can grow from this.
Sure. I mean, that'd be
I'll
interesting.
give you a little baby.
That'd be great. Thank you, Perry.